What's going on, guys? Guess what? You can already guess because it's about to be Christmas in 15 days. I think. It might be 14 from the date it's uploaded in the United States, but that's the point. Basically, you can see these computers in front of me. You've seen this one before. Besides the Vega 64 in there, this is a giveaway computer. I have no need for it. I have too many computers. It's for you. I said 2 weeks in the video. I meant December 25th. That is my fault. This is the closest thing to a Christmas hat I had. This is going to be big. I am trying to push to 10,000 subscribers so that and pushing people over to Twitch. So here's the plan. I'm going to do it the same way we're doing the last one. This is how I'm going to do them from now on because I find them the most beneficial to you and me, and that's the goal. The first goal is to gain subs. Second goal is to make it as fair as possible. Okay? Two primary objectives. And then, yes, so, two primary objectives. Make it good for me, good for you, and give someone a PC. So, this PC will have an RX 580. It is a 3700X. I got an insane deal on one. I'll talk about it in a different video. I got an insane deal on a 3700X, making it cheaper for me to build this PC. Now, because of my recent, I don't want to say success, but because of developments on Twitch, I am able to fully pay for another PC. Now, this one I'm not giving away. This is my PC, but it's to represent the PC I'm going to buy by Christmas for you guys. Now, in the theme of Christmas spirit, we'll talk about the rules for the giveaway. Come on, stay a little bit longer. In the theme of Christmas, I have this from KingSpec from China. It's another Chinese SSD like my Yeston one up there. You've probably seen the box in a few videos. And I'm just going to unbox it because I think this fits the theme perfectly. Even though I ordered this like at Halloween. So, you just get, your normal, oh, it's red, it's cool. But, what's this? Ba-boom. Merry Christmas SSD. Oh, SSD. Okay. Merry Christmas SSD. Yes, this is literally a Chinese Merry Christmas SSD. So, the funniest thing about this Christmas SSD, because it comes from China, from KingSpec, is it says, Merry Christmas, gift comes, bring out the best. Gift comes, bring out the best. I've always said that at Christmas time. Oh, thank you, gift comes, bring out the best. I don't know what that was. Beautiful. I'm keeping this though, this isn't for you, this is mine. It's like, it's so pretty. I need to have this. I need to build a whole PC around this. It might go in this PC since I'm keeping it one on the left. But that's not the point. So, how do we enter? Well, similar to last time, but I would listen. This hat is horrible. I'm worried about my hair. Whatever. Basically, yeah. I have my hair looks very bad in some videos, and it just ruins the video for me. I have to stop watching my own videos because I hate them. So, how do we do this? So, to make it, like I said, I'm being so honest so that people somehow don't mess this up. I am doing these giveaways to gain subscribers, followers, viewers, etc. in the hopes of in the future I will have a lot to the point where I don't have to do giveaways to grow. The goal is to get to 10,000 subscribers and to get Twitch partner so that I can maybe start getting some sponsorships. So maybe I could reach out to a bunch of companies, be like, hey, would you guys all be willing to sponsor a giveaway? And then I could spend the money I make at my job on, actually making real good content. My content has been lacking because I've just been, I haven't had the motivation and I've just been so tired. So this is the only kind of, it's so basic to make these videos. It's the only kind of video I can make. I'm sorry, but that's not the point. Who wants a free PC? Right, here's how we do the entries. So, if you're entered already for this one, you're entered. But for anyone who doesn't know about this PC, I'll be telling you how to enter now. First things first, if you want to get disqualified, do this. No, I shouldn't say it like that, someone will get confused. First of all, international. It is international. It is international. It is international. No confusion. Anyone ask that in the comments? You didn't watch the video. Your fault. Rule number 1, you have to watch the video. So if you clearly haven't watched it, you'll be disqualified. Secondly, and the rules are just to make sure it's fair to me and you. I want you guys to watch this whole video, so maybe I get some ad revenue, and you want to watch this whole video so that, people who don't watch it can't just get free entries and win. So, to enter this one, basically, There's 3 ways to get entries. First one, comment, subscribe, and comment. Now, I cannot force you to like. I would enjoy if you liked the video. It would be a great help to me if you press the like button. If you scroll down and press the button that says like. I can't force you. I can't even check if you liked or not. It is entirely up to you. I don't know why YouTubers still think they can trick people into saying, you have to like the video. You can't check. You can't figure out. So, step 1. If you want to like the video, it only helps me. It would be great if you did that right now. I just gave you plenty of time. Secondly, you have to comment. That is bare minimum to get any entries. You have to comment in the comment section below. But you cannot comment the word entry in any way, because some people just comment that and leave without watching the video. So anyone comments that, you are disqualified. Secondly, do not complain about your current setup or anything else. I want no complaints in the comments of this video. So no, I need it because my house exploded all over my waffles. No. I've used the same example every time. I don't care. Thirdly, I don't know, no begging, no asking for it, no being like, I already won, send me the computer. I don't want any of that. I read every comment. I want to read an actual comment. And fourthly, what's the deal with the quotes on the last video? I don't know, but you can do quotes, I don't really care. So, what do you comment? I don't know, anything. What did you have for lunch yesterday? I don't care. Comment anything. That'll get you your 1 entry for YouTube, and make sure you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed and you happen to win through your comment, I'll tell you congrats, you won, but you weren't subscribed, so you're disqualified. And yes, we can figure out. There are ways to figure out who's, even if they hide this question. But that's the point. What am I saying? Okay. Second entry. Follow me on Twitch. So, follow me on Twitch. That'll get you an entry. And thirdly, follow me on Twitter. And fourthly, join my Discord. So, those are 4 entries. I think I said 3, but I meant 4. Now, how am I going to know who's Twitch, who's Twitter? Now, I'm going to enter everyone who's followed on my Twitch, and everyone who's followed my Twitter, and everyone who's in my Discord. If a Discord name comes up, and they win, I'll message them through Discord, Twitter, etc. The best way, though, that I think we're going to do this, so, if you follow me on Twitter, tweet at DinkyTheSync. Do not try to DM me. Do not DM me on Discord. Tweet at me at DinkyTheSync. You'll find my Twitter link and all these links in the description below. Tweet at me if you followed on Twitch, what's your Twitch name? If you followed on YouTube, which you had to, what is your YouTube name, and etc. Tweet at me all those so we can compile it, put it all together. It's the easiest. If you join my Discord, there is a chat called Entry Chat. You can put the same information there. What is your YouTube name? What is your Twitch name? What is your Twitter? Those are 4 ways to get entries. So, everybody has an equal chance to get 4 entries. Now, extra entries. I do give extra entries because, like I said, goal number 1 is to make it so that I don't gain money from these. In terms of, yes, there'll be money made from the video. Yes, there'll be money made from the stream. It does not go over the value or even equal the value of the PC. It has not yet, at least. But I do want to try to recoup some of this, or at least the way I get back is you pay your time, I pay my PC. Right? So, the ways to get extra entries is I will sometimes tweet and go on Discord, and my Discord will notify you whenever I post a video or go live on Twitch. If I go live on Twitch, Twitter will notify you, but Discord is the best at notifying. Usually it's around 5 to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I don't go live every day because I do have to calculate which days will be the best to get viewers. If we happen to hit 80 viewers on the live stream, which has happened multiple times, everyone will get an extra entry, everybody watching. Then, every 10 minutes following that we hold a consistent 80 viewers, everyone will get another one. So there are a lot of entries to be gotten just by watching the Twitch streams. Also, any video that reaches over 1,000 views that has either been in the past 2 weeks besides the giveaway videos. So actually, yeah, any video, non-giveaway video in the past 3 weeks, I'll say, that reaches 1,000 views, and any video coming up until Christmas that reaches 1,000 views that has nothing to do with giveaways, will get everybody who commented on this video an extra entry. Okay? So if a video from 3 weeks ago happens to hit 1,000 and it has nothing to do with the giveaway, everyone from this video gets an entry. I'm not going to say, oh, anyone commenting on that video, because I don't want a bunch of people commenting about the giveaway. So, on this video. So any video that gets 1,000 views until Christmas or in the past 3 weeks, those will be counted for entries for everyone here. So it'll be an extra entry every basically 1,000 views that a video receives. Like it has to hit the number 1,000. I think I've been pretty clear on what disqualifies you and what doesn't. There'll be links to everything in the description. I know this has been a long video, but I'm making another giveaway video and I hate it. Here's the problem is the goal. I'm going to keep talking. The giveaway part is kind of over, so if you want to stop watching now, you can. But I do want to talk. The goal of what I'm doing is to spend a lot of money. First of all, I guess that is a goal. I spend a large amount of money. I deliver pizza. You can watch videos still. You can find Who is Dinky the Sink. I'm not going to link it because I'm too lazy. It basically explains I deliver pizza. I stream on Twitch. So the goal of this is to have YouTube almost be a community of people who just want to come and watch computer videos. And I want to make 90% computer videos about computers, hardware, tech. I want to get some free stuff. I hopefully have some free stuff coming soon. Not like good stuff, but like fans. And I get like those, Chinese company microphones and stuff like that sometimes get sent to me. I want to do that 90%, 95% of the time. Then maybe once a month, be like, okay, here's a gaming PC from sponsorship parts. And I give it away. I don't have to, but it's good for growth, and I can. That's the goal. And right now, that's not happening on YouTube. But Twitch, we're doing something interesting. So another thing I want to talk about, so Christmas. Twitch, Christmas, 15 days. I will also be doing, for my Twitch Prime subs only, a 5700 XT giveaway. So that'll be a 5700 XT for the Twitch subs. If you're not a Twitch sub, come to my Twitch sometime, and I'll be answering questions about that giveaway. I literally have a chat message that says how. Basically, subscribe to Twitch Prime, you get an entry, etc. That's just a different giveaway. That giveaway actually helps me pay for other giveaways, because I got like something like 130 subs total, which is a lot, and then I got a bunch of bits and ad revenue from Twitch, which was great. We've applied for partner. We did reach the 75 average. I doubt I'm going to get it anytime soon, so we do have to wait for that. But Twitch is the big way right now that I will recoup some of this cost of these giveaways. And here's the reason: when I looked at the revenue and I shared the revenue with you guys on my community tab, I realized, now, not this PC, but a PC, I will be able to afford to do 2 at least. Now, I did say on Twitch I would like to do 3. It all depends. If in the next 15 days, all of a sudden my Twitch, we're looking at 100 viewers a day, which is entirely possible. Hop on, talk and chat, make sure your sound is turned on. Make absolutely sure your sound is turned on, or else we won't count. And we hit 100 every day, I could probably do 3. It's all coming down to money. Like, yes, I could spend all my money and do 3, but honestly, I think the diminishing return starts to kick in there, where this, because every time we do a giveaway, our growth rate starts going up exponentially, but I've just been very lazy, and I haven't had, like, what I need is, when my growth rate starts going up like that, like I have a video that's going up 3,000 views in 3 days, I need to post a content video after it, to kind of get some of those views in, and I've just been super lazy, and I'm sorry about that, but we're going to fix that soon. I'm working on getting a VR video. So my most viewed video is RX 580 VR, can you run it? I want to make a sequel to that, 2 actually. I want to make, can you really run VR on a 1660? Even though I hate the card, I do want to get a 1660, or even a 1660 Super or a 1660 Ti. And then, can you really run VR on an RX 570, which I'll just be using that 2488 SP up there, which I know is an RX 580, but it's really technically an RX 570. So I'm working on getting a VR setup going. That's what I'm going to be using this PC for, is for like a whole VR corner. Like I said, I have this little office. I've got to make it work. I need to get like I need to get a dump truck in here to clean this out, man. It's horrible. So please take my computers. They take up too much room. I'm not even kidding. That actually is part of the reason. I have this computer. I have this one. I have 2 more, and I have one underneath with all my boxes and extra computer parts. It's not good. So take them, and I'll be buying another one for Christmas. So Christmas Day, we will have a humongous live stream. I do go somewhere at like 12, so it'll probably be late at night Christmas into the 26th of December. 24-hour live stream. I'm hoping I'm going for. But like I said, if we're hitting 100 viewers a day, I'll do 3 computers. And I'm being honest, that's all I can afford. But this is the great thing about not having to pay bills or like mortgage. I do pay my electric because I use most of the electricity in the house, and my internet bill because I need my special streaming internet. Thanks, Verizon. Love you. That wasn't even a heart. Love you. Like actual bills, so I do have more flexibility, though I have basically wasted a year of college tuition on computer parts for you guys, which is absolutely fine. I am fully confident. I sound like an idiot, but I'm fully confident there will be and I've seen it, the Twitch return. Now, I feel bad because there are people who donated so much money and they didn't win the RTX giveaway, but I do have a surprise. So some of you are going to hate this, some of you are going to love this. I talked to the kid Rizzo who won. Now, for anyone who doesn't know, this is going to be a long video. For anyone who doesn't know, the winner of my graphics card giveaway for subs, which was an RTX 2080 this month, was someone, he won off of a gifted sub. Someone gifted him a sub, he didn't pay to enter himself, and I know him. I'm not like a super close friend with him, but I helped him build his PC. I know him in real life. I don't like hanging out with him or anything. It's not like a friend thing, but I can't change the winner just because I know them in real life because I don't handle it. I don't forget. For anyone who doesn't come on my Twitch, I have a bunch of people who do my giveaways. I pay them like $20 a week. Not kidding. They do a lot of my giveaway stuff for me. They do all the entries. They take all the screenshots. They do all the Google Docs and the bots. One of them is good at coding, so he coded the bot that actually does it for us. That's why you can't find the bot online. Also, the reason we don't do Gleam is because I want to gain viewers and stuff. Gleam won't do that. So they do all that stuff for me, and this way to make it fair, because I'm completely biased. Someone donated like $70 in bits and subs, and I would have been like right there, congrats, you win. I can't do that because I told them, keep me honest. I know it sounds stupid, but I'm me, you're you. So that's why, and I can't change the results just because I know the person, but I did. Now I hate myself for doing this, but because it's a fair and square win. Either way, it's a win. Gifted sub is gifted sub. They won fair and square. But since I helped him build his PC and actually gave him my RX 580, he agreed to take a 2060. He wouldn't agree to a 5700, but he agreed to take a 2060. That saves me $300 off of the price of a 2080, which allows me to do the sub giveaway and also be a little more flexible. I'm saving $300 of that sub revenue, which allows me to so anyone who's sub on Twitch Prime, I'll be explaining this on Twitch. Anyone who's sub on Twitch Prime doesn't expire before Christmas. Their entries will be carried over because if you can't enter, that's not fair. So that's really it. That's kind of this whole video. It's kind of like a news video. I'm sorry it went so long. I'm really hoping people watch this whole video. There's so much to learn in here about the giveaways and stuff. That's the point. Merry Christmas, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any ideas for videos that you want to see on my channel that are actually, I'm talking so fast, that are easy to make, yes, I am super lazy, and I have this is my space. Think about this. I have stuff on the floor. This is all I have. No joke. This is the space I have. There's nothing behind the camera. But that's the point. If you have any ideas, leave them in the comments below. You know the rules. The recording just randomly stopped. I was saying I'm leaving the links in the description below to everything you have to join and stuff like that. Don't at me on Discord. At me on Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're confused, I also will leave a link to the last giveaway video where I fully explain how the entries work and everything like that. So that's the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. Merry Christmas. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.